Hello, my name is SASITARAN from BMMH 1/2. Today we are going to present about the topic on impact of acoustic and vibration of Hvac on the human health and safety. For the subject, BMMH 4593 Hvac apply acoustic and vibration.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I am going to explain the assignment of Hvac Apply Acoustic and Vibration. The title for this assignment is Impact of Acoustic and Vibration of Hvac on the Human Health and Safety. Okay, what is sound? Sound is a type of energy made by vibration. When any object vibrates, it causes movement in the air particle. This particle jump into particle close to them, which make them vibrate to causing them to bump into more air particle. This movement is called sound wave. The rate of wave expand indefinitely. When the vibration are fast, it creates a high notes. When the vibrations are slow, it creates a low note. In physics, sound is a vibration that propagates as an acoustic wave through a transmission medium such as gas, liquid, or solid. Okay, what about the noise? Noise is defined as the unpleasant sound that causes disturbance. Usually, it is a sound produced by irregular succession of disturbance and is a discontinuous sound. Noise pollution is described as any disturbing or unwanted sound that interfere with or harm human health or wildlife. There are four types of noises, which is continuous noise, intermittent noise, impulsive noise, and low frequency noise. Okay. What are the causes of noise? The first of all is traffic noise, which traffic noise account for most polluting noise in cities. The second one is air traffic noise. There are fewer aircraft flying over city than there are cars on the road. But the impact is greater. So, a single aircraft produces 130 dB. And then the next one is the construction site. Building and car park construction and road and pavement resurface work are very noisy. For example, a pneumatic drill produces 110 dB. Next is the catering and nightlife, where bars, restaurants, and terraces that spill outside when the weather is good can produce more than 100 dB. This includes noise from pubs and clubs. Lastly, is from animals. Noise made by animals can go unnoticed, but a howling or barking noise, for example, can produce around 60 to 80 dB. Next, we are going to look at the impact of noise in human health and safety. First of all, we see at human health, which will cause hearing losses, tinnitus, cardiovascular effects, stress, annoyance, and child physical development. Next, in safety, there will be interfere communication and concentration. Next, it will reduce the awareness of surrounding, reduce productivity, and contribute to workplace accident and injury. Okay. Next, there are ways to reduce the impact of noise. First of all, reducing noise from appliance. Items such as air conditioning unit, heater, fan, and other appliances can contribute to overall noise level in the home. Try using them off more often or setting a timer so they only switch on at certain times. Next, by reducing noise from the media device, Consider the volume and duration of noise from music, television, radios, and video games. Avoid having unnecessary noise playing in the background for long period or listening to sound at too high a volume. It may be useful to set aside dedicated time for watching TV or listening to music. Next, by repair or replace all machinery, all appliance, vehicle, and other items can be louder than newer model. Consider upgrading or replacing noisy household item. Next, we also can install soundproofing by adding insulation strategically around the home can help muffle sounds from other rooms, neighbor, or outside. A rug, carpet, and curtain may also help. Next, we can also create more quiet time by trying to regularly set aside time for quiet activities such as reading, puzzle, or creative hobbies. Avoid playing music or having background noise during this time. Finally, we can use ear protection. If the loud noise is unavoidable, use ear protection such as earplug or earmuff to reduce its impact.
Now we see about the vibration. So what is a vibration? Vibration is a mechanical oscillation of an object about an equilibrium point. So we need to see the type of vibration. There are many types of vibration. Number one is a free vibration. A system is left to vibrate on its own after an initial disturbance and no external force act on the system. Example is a simple pendulum. Number two is a forced vibration, a system that is subjected to a repeating external force. Example is a oscillation arises from a diesel engine. Resonance occurs when the frequency of the external force coincides with one of the natural frequencies of the system. Number three is undamped vibration, when no energy is lost or dissipated in friction or other resistance during oscillations. Number four is damped vibration, when any energy is lost or dissipated in friction or other resistance during oscillation. Now we see the source of vibration. So there are many sources of vibration in HVAC system. Here are the major causes of vibration in HVAC system. The first one is a vibration in fan motor due to bearing issues and misalignment. Second is a vibration fan blade due to imbalance of the blade. And thirdly, the vibration of a pump due to bend in shaft, unbalance, and misalignment, and many more. Now we see the example of a vibration in the HVAC system. Now we see a video showing the vibration in HVAC system. In this case, we see the outdoor unit vibrate vigorously. So the reason the outdoor unit vibrates is due to the motor fan blade as misalignment and mechanical looseness. To fix the motor fan blade, we need to identify which fan blade is out of alignment and then gently bend it a little at a time until it matches the other fan blade. Moving on, we see the impact of vibration to human health. Vibration from a HVAC system can have a negative impact on human health and safety. Prolonged exposure to vibration can lead to discomfort, fatigue, and muscle strain, particularly for individuals who work in close proximity to HVAC equipment. In addition, vibration can also cause damage to building and equipment, leading to potential safety hazard. Finally, we see the ways to reduce or control the vibration. First, the workers or humans who work in the HVAC environment must use anti-vibration gloves because they are best at reducing high-frequency vibration from tools like grinders, sanders, and saws. Next, workers should implement safe work practice due to it is a written method of learning how to perform a task with minimum risk to people, equipment, material, environment, and processes. And finally, we have to use anti-vibration tools such as fan rubber bush to reduce vibration of the fan motor or outdoor units. That's all from us. Thank you.